Namaskaram, Nenu Mansi Gulati. Today yoga is for back pain. Do you have back pain? Let me help you. Let me release your all the pain by simple beautiful asanas and kriyas. Very easy and very simple. Whenever you have back pain, always try to sit in Sukhasana and or Vajrasana. So I'm sitting in Sukhasana and always spine should be straight. That is very important. Now be in Dhyan Mudra and look up. This is first and very important stretch for your back pain. We are sitting in Dhyan Mudra. I'm stretching my hands also and look up. Relax. We'll do it again. Straighten your hand. Look up. Stretch. This we call Dhyanasana. It's very good for your spine, for your back pain. Now we'll tell you second stretch. This is also very easy stretch. Hands up. Interlock your finger and look up. Relax. Same process, we'll do it again. Interlock, stretch and look up. Third time, we'll do it again. Interlock and stretch. Relax. These are very important asanas. This we call hand stretch. Now we'll do third asana. This is very easy. Straighten your legs. Stretch your feet. Keep your hand down. Look up. You can see my alignment also. Relax your muscles. Release all the pain from your back. Relax. Now we'll do cat pose. Cat pose is the best asanas for your back pain. Very simple and very easy. Fingers apart, make sure about it. Now hunch your back. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Relax. Now, when we go up, inhale, go down, exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Inhale, exhale, relax. This is very easy and very useful asana for your back pain. So whenever you have a back pain, very important, always try to sit straight and do the simple asanas, very effective asanas. And one very important tip which I am going to tell you, take a bay leaf water. Bay leaf is very rich in antioxidant. We can have bay leaf water At daytime also you can have bay leaf water. Just boil it, strain it and drink it. It's very good for your back pain. So hopefully you all enjoyed. We will come again. Thank you.